Classroom integration. Keys and Kingdoms comes with a professional 25-key MIDI controller from Artesia Pro. However, almost all USB MIDI piano keyboards will work with the game. To connect your keyboard, plug one end of the USB cord to the USB port on the back of the keyboard, and the other end to your Mac or PC computer. Next, switch on the power button located on the back side of the Artesia 25-key MIDI controller. For iOS devices, such as iPads or iPhones, plug one end of the USB cord to the keyboard and the other end to the iOS adapter that came in the box. Next, connect the Lightning end into the iOS device and switch on the power button. Note: newer iPad models may need a USB-C adapter to connect. Application number 1. Spectator Gaming. If you are limited on your number of devices, you can still enjoy Keys and Kingdoms with the whole class. If available, connect your device to the classroom TV or projector. Next, have the students come up to the keyboard one at a time to take turns playing the game. Not only does this provide a spotlight for each student, but they will be congratulated and praised by the other students for completing tasks and winning battles in the game. Application number 2. Small groups. Setting up 3 to 6 devices in a small group provides a fun and exciting learning station for the students. These stations can be used in rotation with classroom activities or as a reward incentive to encourage students to reach for their full potential. Application number 3. Tech Labs. Perhaps the most powerful and effective use of Keys and Kingdoms would be deployment in a full tech lab classroom. Here, we have a 1-to-1 ratio with every student having their own station to play the game. These powerful learning environments allow teachers and students to fully explore the advantages of the latest music technology and software.